How to make a perfect latte at home. Creating a delightful latte at home can be a rewarding experience. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the kitchen, promising a comforting treat. Frothing the milk to a velvety texture is key to achieving that. Signature latte smoothness. A gentle pour combines the espresso and milk, creating a beautiful layered effect. A sprinkle of cocoa or cinnamon adds a touch of elegance to the finished cup. The first sip is pure bliss, a moment of warmth and satisfaction. Mastering the art of the home latte offers a daily dose of small batch luxury. It's a simple pleasure that elevates the everyday coffee routine. Crafting a latte at home can be a rewarding experience. Smooth, velvety milk is the key to latte art and overall enjoyment. A good espresso machine isn't essential, but it does elevate the process. Careful milk steaming is crucial for achieving microfoam. Practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempts aren't ideal. Experimenting with different beans and roasts adds another layer of enjoyment. Presentation matters, so choose a favorite mug to showcase your creation. Enjoy the delightful journey of mastering your at-home latte. Thank you.